Hello everyone, welcome to Kadambari Solution and I'm Sneha Harish. So we have seen two other videos on solar eclipse. First was the video where I explained how solar eclipse is going to affect universally and us. The second video which you would have seen is about the remedies of solar eclipse. Now this video you need to see or watch till the end because here I'm going to explain how the solar eclipse is going to affect each of your Lagna or Rashi. In our astrology, we normally go through Lagna when we do a general prediction because it's much more appropriate and accurate when we do a generalized predictions on Lagna base. So you could be Mesh Rashi, but a complete different Lagna. So you need to know which is your Lagna. You can ask your astrologer, or if you know your date of birth, time and place, you can maybe check in one of the applications which comes now. And the Lagna is the number in which the first house is. So I think I have explained in detail how to know your Lagna. Now let us start with the first Rashi and Lagna. We start with Mesh Rashi, Mesh Lagna. Okay, this is applicable for people with Mesh Rashi also. So, the first is Mesh Rashi, Mesh Lagna. So, Mesh Lagna people, where the eclipse is going to affect them, it is their third house. So, third house is very good. Actually, if you see, you are going to be profitable with this eclipse. It is a combination of Sun and Rahu. What you need to take care, what actually third house gives is good health. It gives you victory over your enemies. It will give you good speech. It gives you good communication skills. These are the enhancing points. Now you need to actually maybe overcome some obstacles because of the eclipse. Otherwise, overall eclipse for Mesh Lagna people, Mesh Rashi, it looks very, very good. Now, what is the precaution for the coming 3 months after the eclipse? What you can do, or you can start it from today for coming 3 months, is morning before the sunrise or when the sun is rising, you make sure that you give ark, that means give water to the sun. Feed a poor person on Sunday. These two things will surely help you overcome any difficulties or get the full benefit of the eclipse, and may also do the remedies which I had told in the previous video. Now let us look at the second Lagna, Vrishab Lagna people, second house. So the Vrishab Lagna people who are going to be affected is their second house. The eclipse comes in the second house. So you have to be extremely careful of your family relation, your speech, your wealth, your expenses, and also there could be some problem with your neck, your eyes, or because the drishti of the eclipse or sun and Rahu combination is falling on the 8th house, so it could also lead into accidents or some major problems. So you need to take care at this point of time. The Vrishab Lagna people, make sure you do some remedies. You, as I told, donate some food or donate some wheat related food to poor people to keep the coming 3 months in control. We move on to the third Lagna, Mithun Lagna people. What is the main effect? It is your first house where eclipse is going to affect you. You can have mental tension. You may feel very, very lonely, very depressed. You may also have some ailments with your health. You may go through fever or problems with lungs. Enemies can completely tarnish your image. All these things can surely happen with Mithun Lagna people. Okay, and Mithun Rashi also, because eclipse is happening in Mithun Rashi. So For you, the precaution is donate wheat and jaggery to poor people or in temples, or do some good deeds. Now, the next is Karka Lagna people. Karka Lagna people, it is affecting on your 12th house. So, Rahu and Sun in 12th house is also not very good. Eye problems, your feet may have terrible pain, or joints will have terrible issues. Your mood will be very irritable with this eclipse. Expenses on health may increase. So be careful on that. The precaution which I would like to tell here is donate medicines to poor people. Karka Lagna people, donate medicines to poor people. That will really help you the coming 3 months to sail through. Next we come through Simha Lagna. Simha Lagna people, Rahu and Surya in the 11th house. A very good time with eclipse for them. Excellent time. Simha Lagna people should do all the precautions and all the mantra jap in this time, because this eclipse is going to yield them something very good. New vehicle, new benefits, new house. It also can also give them a lot of benefit from the past hard work which they had done. But there could be a slight blockage due to eclipse, so make sure that you do some basic precautions or remedies. Donate something for old age homes, or take care of your father very well. So these things will surely help you in gaining the best effect of the eclipse. Now we come to the 6th, Kanya Lagna people. Kanya Lagna people, the eclipse is affecting in the 10th house. So they have to be very, very careful, and they have to stay away from work politics. People may plot against them, people may try to pull them down, but overall Kanya Lagna people, it is very good because promotion is due. You will look at a brighter side at workplace. But otherwise, if you don't take care, unnecessary blames and court cases are also possible. So you need to do some remedies like donation of food and give ark in the morning to sun. That is, pour water before sunrise or during sunrise. Next we come to Tula Rashi or Tula Lagna people. Tula Rashi, Tula Lagna, 9th house where the eclipse is happening, Rahu and Sun. It's a very, very big block. It also will give you bad name, problems with your siblings, disappointments, and it will give you a lot of negative thinking, where you will start thinking negative about yourself. So you need to do some major donations when it comes to your Tula Rashi or Tula Lagna people. Give donations to orphanages. Make sure that you give some chocolates or any food kind of a donation, which will really help you to sail through the coming 3 months. The next Lagna, we are talking about Vrichchik Lagna, Vrichchik Rashi people. Vrichchik Rashi itself, it is coming when you see through the Lagna, the eclipse is happening in the 8th house. 8th house is generally bad, and Rahu and Sun, it is going to give them very bad effect. You need to really do the precautions, you need to do the remedies, because otherwise coming 3 months can really impact on your family life, issues, hidden enemies, politics. Do not lend people, your money will not come back. Do not venture into new businesses. Be careful of your valuables. There could be a theft issue. And also be very careful with your name in the circle, or your friends or your relatives. It can all be hampered. It can all be disturbed. So best way to come out of this is do animal feeding or do bird feeding on Sundays especially. This will help you to sail through the next 3 months and come out of the eclipse effect. Now going ahead is the Dhanu Lagna people, where you are affected in the 7th house. The eclipse is happening in the 7th house. That is your partnership house. So, loss of partner, business cheating can be seen, and defamation, and or else it could be health of your life partner could be affected. So take care of these things, be alert on this part, and help old age homes, help old people. These are the remedies which you need to do. Proceeding ahead, Makar Lagna people. Makar Lagna people, sixth house, where the eclipse is happening, Sun and Rahu. This is a very good time for you. You will win over your enemies. Your promotions are due. You can actually overcome your obstacles, but surely take care of your eyes, your eyesight, or your diabetes. All these things can also increase. So you have to be in a very good mental frame, and please do not allow your ego to hamper your goodness. Otherwise, you will fall. Next, we go ahead to Kumbha Lagna people. Kumbha Lagna people will be affected in the 5th house, your Surya and your Rahu, which is the house of knowledge and children. So your children may have difficulties. You may have a stop in your education. You need to overcome that. No speculation. This is not the time for speculation. If you have put in share market, or if you're planning to speculate, Kumbha Lagna people, you will lose money. 100%. So make sure that mentally you're happy, or else loss of money is seen. Don't put or don't invest in business right now. This is not the time. Let the eclipse pass by. The coming 3 months, if you're a man, keep your wife happy. Buy some gifts which she would be happy with, or keep any female at your home very happy. It could be your maid, it could be your sister, but make sure that you buy something good and keep the females happy. This will yield you, or this will help you to come out of the effect of the eclipse. The last Lagna, Meen Lagna people. This is, the eclipse is coming in the 4th place. 4th place is your house, your enjoyment place. Take care of your mother's health. Very important. No investment in property. Be very careful of your vehicles. Be careful of accidents, and also government issues. Do not argue with government related higher ups. Be careful of all these things, because very important for Meena Lagna people to be careful of the eclipse for coming 3 months. The best way is to serve your mother. The remedy for Meena Lagna people is to serve your mother. Make her happy, or serve in an old age home, where it could be an only ladies old age home. This is something very, very important which you need to take care for coming 3 months after the eclipse. I would always say that you start now. It is always good to start before the problem comes. Precaution is always better than cure. I hope so when you see this video, this will be useful for all of you to overcome the obstacles and be happy and increase your spirituality in this eclipse time. And if you like all my videos on eclipse and other videos also, share these videos, like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Signing off for now. Thank you very much.